This is my Google 20 time digital story. So, to start out with, I had three goals: personal, philanthropic, and professional. My personal goal was to focus on mental health, self care, and bettering myself throughout the process. My philanthropic goal was to support small and local businesses. And my professional goal was to better my teaching style and get a better idea of what my teaching style is by listening to and reading about other teachers' ideas. To do this, I would read or watch 3 videos or articles a week and take notes on the key points that I found that I would want to implement. I improved a lot with each of these goals. Um, Personally, I made time to work out, get out of the house more, and implement more self care. And I felt that it was a lot easier to do this when I could tell myself that it was for a class. It made it seem a lot more important, even though it's important no matter what to do these things. My philanthropic goal I found to be very rewarding because not only was I completing a goal that I had set for myself, but with that, I was also helping out small local businesses. And so the money that I would be spending anyway, I was now spending on helping a family to feed their family or pay their bills. And that's a lot better than just feeling like you're throwing your money away to big corporations. And I definitely plan to continue that. And my professional goal, I learned so much about teaching styles and myself as a future teacher. Even though I wasn't necessarily in the classroom doing it, I really felt that I was learning more about what I want to do and what excites me as a teacher. And this helped me stay excited to be a teacher because sometimes you get in that rut when you're just reading articles and stuff like that. And I felt that listening to TED Talks and reading really fun articles just really kept me motivated to keep going throughout the weeks. And I also found a blog called The Call to Pedagogy that had some amazing articles that gave me really great information, and that was so fun for me. And I plan to continue this throughout my professional career because I feel that I can really benefit from this and it will help me stay up to date on newer things that I might not know about if I didn't pay attention. I really enjoyed how my blog turned out. It gave me a chance to take pride in my work and how it looked, but also the content. And I really enjoyed the blogging process, and I could see a lot of benefits to using it in my future classroom.